So today in math we are going to be talking about shapes. We are going to be learning how to identify quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, that's quite a long word. So I just want you to focus on this part of the word right now, quad. So have you ever seen or ridden on a quad, like on a quad bike? Can you think about how many wheels it has? It has 4, you're right. What about quadruplets? Like I know twins have 2 babies and triplets have 3 babies. So what do quadruplets have? Yep, 4. There's actually some quadruplets at Nooksack High School right now. So quad means 4. And so quadrilaterals are all shapes that have 4 sides. And there's a bunch of examples right there. And when I look at that, it makes me think of our pattern blocks. Like this one. You remember what this one's called? It's a trapezoid. And it has 4 sides. It's right there. Just rotated when I was holding it up. Or what about that one? Looks like our pattern block like this. It has 4 sides. It's a quadrilateral. And it's also called a rhombus. So our other pattern blocks, I've got this one. Is that one a quadrilateral? It has 6 sides. So no, it's not. Or what about our triangle? It only has 3 sides, so it's not a quadrilateral. So here is the trapezoid that we were just looking at. Some different trapezoids. All of those are quadrilateral. But you know what? There's some other ones too. What about rectangle? All of those. Quadrilaterals. They all have 4 sides. Can you think of another quadrilateral? Of course, square. That's the one that has 4 equal sides. And I've got another one here I'm thinking of. It's another long word, and it is parallelogram. Now, parallelogram, let's take a look, because I see a square there, and a rectangle, oh, and a rhombus too. So now you're saying that the square is a rectangle, and it's a quadrilateral, and it's a parallelogram. So parallelogram, what does that mean? So I'm going to draw some parallel lines. So parallel lines mean they're never ever going to touch. They could keep going. If I kept going and kept going, these lines would never meet. So they're parallel lines. I could do the same thing with lines going this way and parallel. So this black line could keep going, and this black line would keep going, and they're parallel. They would never ever touch. So you're going to find this piece of paper and this piece of paper in your learning packet this week, which is all about quadrilaterals. And the top part of this is full of information about all of the shapes we were just looking at. Trapezoid, rectangle, tells you what makes a parallelogram. The bottom part is the part of what you'll be working on. But I want you to read the directions very carefully, because it says circle the word or words that describe each shape. So it might be when you look at this shape, there's actually going to be more words that you circle than just one. Remember, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to any of your teachers. We'd love to help you. So good luck and have fun. Stay safe.